Hello everyone, good evening. So here we shall solve the question number 16 in the exercise 1, subparts 1 and 2 in the chapter in the chapter Trigonometric Identities. So in the question number 16, the exercise 1, the first subpart has been told to prove that tan square theta plus cot square theta uh, plus 2, that should be equal to secant square theta into cosec square theta. So on the left hand side, we have to prove that tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2, that should be equal to the right hand side. So the left hand side, we can write it as, we know that 1 plus tan square theta, that is equal to sec square theta. And 1 plus cot square theta, that is equal to cosec square theta. Now, this will be equal to tan square theta, this 2 I can write as plus 1, and plus you can write 1 plus cot square theta also. Now this tan square theta plus 1, that will be equal to sec square theta plus 1 plus cot square theta, that will be equal to cosec square theta. Now sec square theta is 1 by cos square theta and cosec square theta is 1 by sin square theta. Now we can simplify it. If we take the LCM, then we get sin square theta into cos square theta. And in the numerator, we will get, this will be sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta, we know that is equal to 1. So this will be 1 by sin square theta into cos square theta. So this we can write as 1 by sin square theta into 1 by cos square theta. Now 1 by cos square theta is sec square theta and 1 by sin square theta is cosec square theta, which is equal to the right hand side. So hence proved. Then in the second subpart, has been told to prove that square root of sec square theta plus cosec square theta, that should be equal to tan theta plus cot theta. Now in the left hand side, it has been told that is equal to square root of secant square theta plus cosec square theta. Now this you can write as square root of secant square theta is 1 by cos square theta and plus cosec square theta is 1 by sin square theta. Now this will be equal to, now we take the LCM, that will be sin square theta into cos square theta. Now in the numerator, we will have sin square theta plus cos square theta. The sin square theta plus cos square theta, we know that is equal to 1. So this will be equal to square root of 1 by sin square theta into cos square theta, which will be equal to 1 by sin theta into cos theta. The square root of sin square theta is sin theta and square root of cos square theta is sin theta. So now this was the simplified expression for left hand side. Similarly, in the right hand side, we can solve. The right hand side has been told that is equal to tan theta plus cot theta. Now tan theta we can write as sin theta by cos theta plus cot theta is cos theta by sin theta, we can write. Now we again take the LCM, that is sin theta into cos theta. Now in the numerator, we will have sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is obviously equal to 1. So this is also equal to 1 by sin theta cos theta. So as you can see, both the left hand side and the right hand side are being simplified with the same expression, which is 1 by sin theta and 1 by sin theta into cos theta. So therefore, we can say that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So hence proved. So hope all of you understood the solutions of these two subparts in the question number 16. So, and still any doubts if you have, please write that in the comments. We shall obviously clarify them. So thank you everyone. So,